Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Creased podcast. This is Trey. I'm here to give you an unboxing. Casita and I wanted to show you some new stuff. Wanted to show you some packages that we got. We didn't want to just give you episodes, so here's a little bit of extra content from the Creased podcast. We're going to go ahead and open up a pair of shoes that actually dropped a few weeks back. Still worth opening up and checking them out. But yeah, you've probably seen these around the internet just a little bit the last few weeks. So let's see here. Let's get this open. Come on. Alright. So let's see. Ooh. Yep. Casita was right. These boxes are nice. Look at that. I like it. Shout out episode 5 Box Talk. Go check that right now. Alright, let's see. Bang, look at that. Alright, let's really dive into talking about these. This is the Jordan 4 Metallic Purple. These dropped on 5/20 for $190. White leather takes up most of the shoe. There's purple hints on the eyelets. Jumpman logos on the heel, tongue, and bottom of the shoe, as well as the tongue lining. I'm not sure why the size 12 tag ended up on the top of the shoe like that, but regardless, this is a super cool shoe. Like I said, I'm primarily looking for the orange pair, but these are a super dope shoe. Let us know in the comments below what you think about them and what shoe you want to see up next. Other than that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Peace.